Hello guys, in this video we will discuss about the command line arguments, what are they and how we can use the command line arguments. So here for the command line arguments we have to create a file, for the example notepad file. For that, and this notepad file we have to save that file with the java extension. So I have saved that file. Suppose I have given the name at cmd line dot java, and here I have saved that particular file. No, it's uh, again I am just opening the notepad, and here I am just saving that file with the java extension, and given the cmd line dot java on the desktop, and here all files. So here this file is saved. So here we have to create a class cmd. In the same name I am putting cmd line, and inside that we have to write public static void main, public static, sorry, it should be in small letter, public static void main, and here I have to write a string args. So whatever we are writing over here, string args, this is actually the args is work as an array of string type. So this is called as command line arguments. So whatever value we are giving at the time of execution, so those values are called as arguments in command line. Okay, so java has a facility of wrapper classes. Actually, what are the wrapper classes? Wrapper classes are used to convert the primitive type into the object type, and object type into a primitive type. Okay, primitive type like your integer, float, double, like that. So we can convert the primitive type into the object or reference type, or reference type into the primitive type. So for that we use the wrapper classes. So here whatever we are passing at the time of execution, it will comes under the string type. Okay, so for converting that string type, we need we need a wrapper classes. For wrapper classes we have different arguments, like here. So whatever value we are passing, suppose we want to pass the integer value at the time of execution. So first value will come args of 0 location, because args is a string type of array. Here first value will come at this location, and second value will come args of first location. Okay, args of first location, because you know that array starts with the indexing 0. So if I want to add two values, okay, so I need two places where we can store our values, and after that, so this args of 0 and args of 1 is of string type. So if I will pass 10, so it will consider 10 at place of 0, but which type? String type. So I have to convert that string type into the integer type, so that I can add the value. Okay, so here I have to take a value, I have to convert that string type of value into the integer type. So for that we are using the wrapper classes. So wrapper classes has some syntaxes. So I want to convert into string type. So first of all I have to give the wrapper class name regarding the integer. So integer, this is the object type of the int, that is a reference type of the value type int, dot the syntax parse and int, and after that this particular syntax will convert the string type of arguments 0 location value into a integer type. If you want to convert it into the double type, so double class name dot parse double. If it is the char dot parse char. If it is the byte, then byte dot parse byte. Like that, we can convert this. So both value we have to convert into the integer type to get the result of addition. So here we have given this particular syntax. So that particular syntax will convert the arguments of 0 of string type into the integer type. So if we give the 10, then it will consider 10 as string. So after converting that particular value in the integer type, now it will consider it as a value type. So we have to take that integer value into a variable. I have taken x, and here I have taken y. Okay. If I want to add the value, then it should be anti res for result. I am just adding x plus y, and for printing the value, system dot out dot println, and here I am printing the result of that particular value. So here res, the concatenation of that, and the result I am giving result, and after that, okay, let's start the execution of it. So here cmd, and in cmd we have to go to the desktop, the location of that particular file, and here we have first compile javac and cmd line dot java. So here what is the problem? Cannot find symbol. Okay, let me check. See here, you can see that integer spelling mistake is there. Sorry for that. Again I am saving that particular file, again compiling cmd line. Now it is compiled. Okay, so next line is for execution cmd line, and here you have to pass the command line arguments. So I passed 120. That will come under the place of args of 0, and if I'll pass another value, it will come under the place of args of 1, means first location and second location. So here we have to pass this 120 and suppose 140 to two values. This place is args of 1, sorry, args of 0, and this place is args of 1, and enter. So result is 260. So this is the command line arguments. These arguments we can pass at the time of execution. I hope you can understand the things. Please like and subscribe my channel to get the updated videos. Thank you.